What's up, my friends? Wanna take this partly transparent PNG file and mix that with my FPV feed? It looks like I'm playing an old school game while I fly my tiny whoop around the house. If you want to put such cockpit onto a recorded video, you just need to use a video editor. But if you want to do this live, you need some rendering hardware, which is capable of mixing two video channels based on an alpha channel.
If you could look into my eyes, you'd see what should be no surprise. Oh, you'd cool down, dance it out to hide from all the things your dirty mind wants. You'd wanna see what's deep inside, oh, and take it for a mighty ride. Oh, you'd get zoned from all fire and blind from all the things your dirty mind wants. Out of my mind, yeah, and get the low. Take out your pride.
Makes the whole FPV experience even more bizarre. Makes it even harder to differentiate between reality and imagination.